let us see how to transfer the data on pen drive. That means taking backup onto the pen drive. Step number 1, inserting a pen drive. So right now I will be inserting a pen drive onto the USB port. It will be automatically detected. See over here, it is scanning the viruses for the pen drive, and you are able to see removable disk. There is a problem with the drive. Scan the drive and fix it. So it is automatically scanning, and we have to wait till the scanning is done to be on the safe side, just in order to protect our system from the viruses. So I will be waiting for few seconds till the time the entire scanning is done. Remember, it is very good that you should be scanning a pen drive and then using it. There are chances that the pen drive may contain certain viruses, and we have to protect our system from viruses. So let the antivirus scan the entire pen drive to see whether our pen drive contains certain viruses. As you are able to see the status bar, it is progressing. We have to wait for few seconds more till it is scanning or till it scans the entire pen drive or USB drive. Yes, once it is done, now we require to check whether its connectivity is proper or not. So I will be going in this PC and I will be checking over here. Yes, removable disk has been successfully installed, or it is working properly on my system. So how to save the data onto the pen drive? So what I will be doing, I will be opening this PC. I require to go for the files or the folders. So this time again I am going in this PC. In this PC I will be going in screenshots. I will be again taking the data PT1 or PTM. What I will be doing, right click over there, copy the data. Copy the data, and from File Explorer you see where removable disk drive is there. So on the left hand side you are able to see at the bottom you will be able to see removable disk. I'm just opening that particular part, right click it and then paste it. As soon as I paste it, you will be able to see that the folder is automatically over here. Now once the transfer has been done, one more time my dear kids, go to this PC. After going in this PC, go to the folder where the files are there. So I'm going to the folder where my files are there. Now this time I will be again going in screenshots, but this time I'll be going for assembly. So what I'm doing, select the folder, right click it, copy. From File Explorer, select the removable disk, selected it, and then right click and then paste it. So you are able to see that the data has been transferred. I transferred two folders over here. One is PTM pictures and other is assembly pictures. Now once the transfer has been done, you have to remove or you have to eject your pen drive. So where eject is done, at the bottom you will be able to see this icon. Safely remove hardware and eject media. I require to click on it. As soon as I click on it, you will be able to see reject cruise blade. That is nothing but the name of the pen drive. When I click over here, you will be able to see a successful message, save to remove hardware. Once it is done, only then try to remove, because sometimes when you remove like this, automatically there are chances that your pen drive will get corrupt. So in this manner, we are transferring the data from the computer to the pen drive. That means I'm taking a backup onto the pen drive of the data that is stored on my computer systems.